Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's a beautiful day over here at Russ Darrow Kia. Today, I'm just bringing you a few tips to keep your car in top shape while the summer's coming to an end. So tune in. All right, you guys. Tip number one: make sure you keep an eye on your tires and check the tread to make sure you have enough to last you throughout the rest of the year. We can't have you out here with ball tires that look like how you were a little bit. And since I'm talking about wheels, with the upcoming seasons, you're gonna want to make sure you check on those brake pads and those rotors to make sure you stop just like that. All right, so let's talk about your engine. You're gonna want to make sure you maintain it, change that oil every 3 to 5,000 miles, and you have a dipstick for the oil. So you can check the color and consistency. If it's dark and thick, you probably need to get that oil changed. So take care of your engine and it'll take care of you. And lastly, make sure you're taking care of those wiper blades, changing them out every so often so you can see everything out on the road without any visibility issues. Now, if you guys have any other questions regarding vehicle maintenance, just give us a visit over to Russ Darrow Kia. We'll take care of you.